In an alarming development, the Israeli military has conducted a raid on Kamal Adwan Hospital, the last major functioning health facility in northern Gaza. The raid has resulted in the arrest of the hospital director, Dr. Hussam Abu Safia, along with other staff members. Patients and staff were forced to transfer to the Indonesian hospital in Beit Lahia, a facility reported as non-functional by the World Health Organization. Eyewitnesses described seeing Dr. Safia being taken away by Israeli forces for questioning at an undisclosed location, leaving Kamal Adwan Hospital empty and further straining an already dire humanitarian situation. Reports from the scene reveal disturbing accounts of Israeli forces allegedly forcing patients and staff to strip naked in the streets. The Israeli military denies these allegations, stating the evacuation was conducted humanely. However, multiple nurses have recounted how staff and patients were ordered to leave the hospital and gather outside, where they were separated by gender and told to remove their clothes. The IDF justifies the raid by claiming that Kamal Adwan Hospital was being used as a Hamas stronghold, alleging that at least 240 suspected terrorists were detained during the operation. They also accused Dr. Safia of being a Hamas operative, further justifying his arrest. The closure of Kamal Adwan Hospital has significantly exacerbated the humanitarian crisis in northern Gaza. With the hospital no longer operational, access to essential healthcare for the besieged population has been severely compromised. The World Health Organization has criticized Israel for denying humanitarian access to the hospital and called for an immediate ceasefire to allow medical teams to reach those in need. Human rights organizations have condemned the forced evacuation and closure of the hospital as a violation of international law. The United Nations has called for an independent investigation into the incident and urged all parties to respect the sanctity of medical facilities. Footage sent by nurse Rawia Al-Bach from the Indonesian hospital shows upturned furniture and tattered blankets strewn along the dusty corridors, a stark reminder of the chaos left behind. Al-Bach reported a large fire breaking out in Kamal Adwan Hospital after Israeli strikes, with staff forced to use water from a kidney dialysis machine to fight the flames. One patient died in the fire, and staff suffered burns from the chlorine mixed in the water. The IDF claims there was a small fire in an empty building inside the hospital and denies causing the blaze. The World Health Organization has previously said that Israeli authorities have repeatedly denied humanitarian access to Kamal Adwan Hospital. Just this week, a request to deploy international emergency medical teams was denied by Israeli authorities, despite the need for immediate surgical interventions for injured patients. The international community watches closely as the situation in Gaza continues to deteriorate. The need for humanitarian aid and medical assistance has never been more urgent. Stay informed, stay engaged. Until next time.